Hello everyone, welcome back again to ZWcad channel with a ZW3D basic tutorial how to use a Fillet command. Okay, first I will create a 2D sketch. You can click sketch here and choose this plane. Next you can click OK. We create a rectangle object for example. And if you want to use Fillet command, you can click this Fillet icon. Next, you need to specify first curve. I will select this edge, and the second curve I will select this edge. Okay. For fillet radius, you can change in here like 20. Okay, this fillet with 20, or you can change into 25. This fillet 25. Okay. You also can fillet multiple by clicking another edge. Click OK to finish. Okay, I will undo again. The other option to use fillet into this sketch, you can choose fillet chain. Okay, we will fillet all this corner first. You can click this fillet chain, and first you need to specify the curve. I will select this corner. Okay, this fillet curve. And then you can give radius like 10. Next you can click OK to finish. Okay, we fillet this 3D sketch with fillet chain. To fillet in 3D models, I will convert this 2D sketch into 3D models. You can click this icon to close 2D sketch, and I will extrude this sketch. Okay. Next, I will fillet this edge. Okay, you can click this fillet icon. Next, you need to specify the edge. I will select this edge, and you can click OK to apply. To editing this fillet in 3D models, you can use fillet, modify fillet. You can click this icon, and then you can select this fillet object. Next, you can change your radius in here, okay, like 5 or like 9, and OK to finish. Okay, to use fillet into this sketch, you can click this icon, fillet, and then you can use a fillet or a fillet chain. And for 3D models, you can click this icon fillet and modify fillet to modify fillet object. Okay, enough today for ZW3D basic tutorial how to use fillet command. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another ZW3D basic tutorial.